Morning sun is softly shining, golden rays across the land. I walk slowly by the shoreline, with the ocean near my hand. The palm trees move with gentle rhythm, the island breeze is warm and sweet. Every step becomes a blessing, every moment feels complete. I used to chase the endless highways, looking for a place to be, running after distant dreams, never stopping just to breathe. But the ocean taught me slowly that the simple things are gold. A peaceful heart and grateful spirit are the greatest things to hold. Slow down and feel the sunshine, listen to the waves that flow. Life is full of little treasures, more than we will ever know. Walking slowly through paradise, underneath the tropical sky, with the palm trees and the ocean breeze, I watch my worries fly. Walking slowly through paradise, where my heart feels young and free, with the reggae rhythm beside me, I find the best part of me. Walking slowly through paradise, where the world moves soft and slow. Every wave and every sunrise shows me where I'm meant to go. The flowers bloom along the pathway, colors dancing in the sun. The birds are singing from the treetops, celebrating everyone. The ocean paints 1,000 pictures, with its waves of blue and green. Every corner of this island feels like a beautiful dream. I remember all the moments when my heart was feeling tired, when the road ahead was cloudy and my hope was losing fire. But the seasons kept on changing, and the rain gave way to light. Now I walk with peace beside me, and my future feels so bright. Feel the rhythm of the island, hear the music in the air. There is beauty all around you when you stop and simply care. Walking slowly through paradise, underneath the tropical sky, with the palm trees and the ocean breeze, I watch my worries fly. Walking slowly through paradise, where my heart feels young and free, with the reggae rhythm beside me, I find the best part of me. The afternoon sun is glowing, painting gold across the sea. I sit beneath the palm tree shadows, feeling who I'm meant to be. No need for all the things I chased before, no need to prove a thing. The happiness I was searching for was in the joy this moment brings. The island whispers through the evening, stories carried by the breeze, of the beauty found in kindness and the freedom of the seas. Every sunset is a reminder, every sunrise is a start. Paradise is not just somewhere, it is living in the heart. So let the waves carry your worries, let the sunshine heal your dreams and keep believing. Keep your spirit open wide. There is beauty waiting for you on the peaceful other side. Now the evening sky is glowing with a golden sunset view. The island breeze keeps softly singing a melody so pure and true. I look back at all my footsteps and the lessons they have shown. Every road was part of my story. Every place became my home. Tomorrow brings another morning, another chance to feel alive, another walk through this paradise, another reason I can smile. I will carry this peace forever, deep within my heart and soul, because walking slowly through paradise has made my spirit whole. Walking slowly through paradise, forever beneath the island sky, with the ocean waves beside me. I know I'm where I belong in life. Walking slowly through paradise, a beautiful dream come true. With the reggae rhythm flowing, I found my way back to you. Walking slowly through paradise, when my heart is finally free. The island breeze, the ocean blue will always live inside of me. The waves rolling, the waves roll out, taking away every doubt. The palm trees sway, the stars shine bright. Paradise feels right tonight. The sun has slowly disappeared now, leaving colors in the sky. The ocean rests beneath the moonlight as the evening breeze goes by. The palm trees whisper in the darkness, moving gently with the tide. A peaceful feeling fills the island, with the stars shining bright and wide. I walk along the quiet shoreline, where the waves meet the sand, feeling grateful for this moment, feeling blessed upon this land. All the worries of the daytime fade away into the night. The moon above the Caribbean brings my heart a gentle light. Listen closely to the ocean, hear the waves begin to sing. Every night can bring a blessing, every moment has its meaning. Moonlight over the Caribbean waves, shining softly on the sea. A peaceful song of love and freedom, bringing calmness back to me. Moonlight over the Caribbean waves, where my heart feels young and free. With the reggae rhythm flowing slowly, I find of the places I have known. Every wave tells a little story. Every tide has a song of its own. The island lights are softly glowing, like a village made of dreams. And the ocean keeps on moving with its endless silver streams. I remember days of searching, when my heart was feeling lost, when I carried heavy burdens and I counted every cost. But the ocean taught me patience, and the night showed me the way, that even after darkness there will always come a day. Feel the magic of the moonlight, feel the calmness of the sea. Every wave that touches shoreline brings a little peace to me. Yeah, moonlight over the Caribbean waves, shining softly on the sea. A peaceful song of love and freedom, bringing calmness back to me. Moonlight over the Caribbean waves, where my heart feels young and free, with the reggae rhythm flowing slowly. I find my harmony. Oh, oh, The midnight sky is full of wonders. Stars are dancing up above. The ocean holds a quiet beauty, like a story written in love. The waves continue their journey, never rushing, never still, teaching me to trust the moment and to follow my own will. There is beauty in the silence, there is healing in the night, there is hope within the darkness, there is always morning light. The island breeze reminds my spirit that I'm stronger than before. Every step along my journey leads me closer to the shore. Let the moonlight guide your footsteps, let the ocean calm your soul. Let the rhythm of the island help your broken pieces whole. No storm can last forever, no cloud can hide the sun. Every ending brings a beginning, every race can still be won. So I'll dance beneath the stars now, with a peaceful heart tonight. Let the waves carry my worries, let the moon become my light. The Caribbean keeps on calling, with the melodies so true, a song of hope and love and freedom that forever carries through. Now the night is getting deeper, but the ocean still shines bright. The moon reflects upon the water, turning darkness into light. The palm trees sway like old companions, standing proudly by the sea. And I know this peaceful island will always be a part of me. Tomorrow brings another sunrise, another chance to start anew. But tonight I keep this feeling of the ocean deep and blue. The moonlight over the waves will remain inside my heart, a beautiful and endless memory that time cannot take apart. where the ocean meets my dreams. Earth rising. I was searching for a place of comfort, a place where my heart could rest. Walking through the roads of life, trying to find what felt the best. Then I heard the ocean calling, like a song from far away. A gentle breeze began to guide me to a brighter, peaceful day. The waves were dancing on the shoreline, the palm trees moved with the wind. I felt a feeling deep inside me, like a new life would begin. All the worries I was carrying slowly started drifting away. The ocean showed me there was beauty waiting for me every day. Let the waves carry your worries, let the sunshine touch your soul. Every journey has a purpose, every heart can become whole. Where the ocean meets my dreams, where the sky and water gleam, I found peace beside the waves, a place my heart was meant to be. Where the ocean meets my dreams, nothing is ever what it seems. With the reggae rhythm flowing free, I found the best part of me. Where the ocean meets my dreams, underneath the tropical skies, a paradise of love and freedom, where my spirit learns to rise. The morning sun paints the horizon, golden colors on the sea. The island breeze moves softly through me, bringing calm and harmony. The flowers bloom beside the pathway, the birds are singing in the trees. Every sound becomes a melody, every moment feels so free. I remember all the seasons when the road was hard to walk, when my heart was filled with questions, when I had no words to talk. But the ocean taught me patience, and the waves showed me the way, that tomorrow holds a promise for a brighter, better day. Feel the rhythm of the island, hear the music of the sea. There is healing in the silence, there is hope for you and me. Where the ocean meets my dreams, where the sky and water gleam, I found peace beside the waves, a place my heart was meant to be. Where the ocean meets my dreams, nothing is ever what it seems. With the reggae rhythm flowing free, I found the best part of me. When the sunset paints the water with a golden ocean glow, I sit beneath the palm tree shadows, watching gentle rivers flow. The moon begins to rise above me, stars appear across the night, and I feel the ocean whisper, everything will be alright. No treasure from the deepest ocean, no riches from a distant land, could ever match the simple beauty of the waves upon the sand. For the greatest things in life are not the things we hold or own, they are moments full of meaning. morning light slowly rising over waters calm and clear. A gentle breeze is softly moving, whispering that peace is near. The river flows into the ocean like a journey finding home, and I feel my heart becoming lighter, no longer feeling alone. I have carried many burdens, I have walked through storms and rain, held the weight of old memories, held the echoes of my pain. But the water keeps on teaching that every tide will turn someday. Every river finds the ocean, every night gives birth to day. Let the current carry slowly, let the waves wash fears away. There is healing in the silence, there is hope in every day. Peace flows like the river sea, moving gently through my dreams, washing away the weight I carry, setting my tired spirit free. Peace flows like the river sea, a beautiful song inside of me. With the reggae rhythm flowing softly, I find the peace I need. Peace flows like the river sea, from the mountains to the shore, a reminder that my heart can heal and become whole once more. The palm trees sway beside the water, the flowers bloom beneath the sun. The island sings a peaceful melody, a song for everyone. The birds are flying through the heavens, the clouds are drifting by. The beauty of this simple moment feels like paradise. I remember chasing shadows, trying to find a place to stand, looking for a deeper meaning, trying to understand. But the ocean showed me slowly that the answers are within. Peace begins inside the heart, where a new life can begin. Hear the rhythm of the water, feel the warmth upon your skin. Every journey has a purpose, every heart can rise again. Peace flows like the river sea, moving gently through my dreams, washing away the weight I carry, setting my tired spirit free. Peace flows like the river sea, a beautiful song inside of me. With the reggae rhythm flowing softly, I find the peace I need. When the sunset paints the horizon with the golden ocean flame, I look back upon my journey and the lessons that it gave. Every struggle made me stronger, every tear became a seed, every moment brought me closer to the peace my heart would need. The moonlight dances on the water, stars are shining up above. The island breeze keeps softly singing a song of hope and love. No treasure from the dreams surrounding me. The island rests beneath the moonlight. The world becomes so still, and I feel a quiet happiness, a peace that nothing can steal. Tomorrow brings another sunrise, another chance to start again. Another road, another blessing, another song beyond the rain. I will follow where the river flows, with a heart that's open wide, knowing peace will always guide me, like the ocean guides the tide. Peace flows like the river sea, forever moving through my dreams, with the waves and island breezes. I am finally feeling free. Peace flows like the river sea, a gift that lives inside of me. With the reggae rhythm around me, I found my harmony. Peace. Sunshine living inside my heart too. The morning sun is breaking slowly, golden light across the sea. A gentle breeze is softly calling, bringing happiness to me. The palm trees dance beside the shoreline. The waves are singing soft and low. I feel a warmth inside my spirit, like a love I've come to know. I have walked through cloudy seasons, I have faced the pouring rain. I have carried heavy moments, I have felt the weight of pain. But I discovered something beautiful that was always deep inside, a little spark of hope and sunshine that was waiting there to shine. Let the light inside you grow now, let your heart begin to see. Every day can bring a blessing, every soul can still be free. Sunshine living inside my heart, a beautiful light from the very start. Through every storm and every night, you keep my spirit burning bright. Sunshine living inside my heart, a brand new dream, a brand new start. With the reggae rhythm flowing free, this light will always live in me. Sunshine living inside my heart, a feeling nothing can take apart. Underneath the tropical sky, I feel my dreams begin to rise. The flowers bloom with bright colors, the ocean sparkles in the sun. The island breeze keeps softly saying, a beautiful day has begun. The birds are singing in the distance, the clouds are drifting away. Every little thing around me brings a smile into my day. I remember when I was searching for a place where I belong, looking for a little comfort, looking for a hopeful song. Then I learned the greatest treasure was not somewhere far away. It was the love and peace within me, growing stronger every day. Feel the rhythm of the ocean golden shade of light. I can feel the hope surrounding me, like the stars that shine at night. The journey may not always be easy, the road may twist and turn, but every challenge brings a lesson, and every fire helps us learn. The moon will rise above the water, the tide will come and go, but the love inside my spirit will forever continue to grow. I will carry this sweet feeling everywhere my footsteps go, like the sunshine in my heart now. I will always let it glow. Let your heart become the sunrise, let your kindness be the flame, let your love become a river, flowing freely without shame. No darkness can defeat you, no storm can steal your light, because the sunshine deep within you will always burn bright. Through the seasons and the changes, through the highs and through the lows, keep believing in your journey, keep allowing love to grow. Like the flowers after rainfall, like the morning after night, every heart can find its sunshine, every soul can find its light. Ooh, yeah. Now the night is calm and peaceful, the stars are shining overhead. I can hear the ocean whisper all the beautiful words it said. The island breeze keeps reminding me of the strength I carry inside. The sunshine living in my heart now will forever be my guide. Tomorrow brings another morning, another chance to start anew, another day to share my kindness, another dream to follow through. I will walk beneath the sunlight with a grateful heart and smile, knowing peace and love surround me every moment, every mile. Sunshine living inside my heart, forever shining like a morning star. Through every ocean, every sky, I feel my spirit learning to fly. Sunshine living inside my heart, a beautiful gift that sets me apart with the reggae rhythm. The rhythm of a peaceful island. The morning sun is gently rising over waters calm and blue. The island wakes with soft vibrations, the peaceful song begins anew. The palm trees dance beside the shoreline, the ocean whispers through the sand. A gentle rhythm fills the air now, like a blessing from the land. I walk along the quiet pathway, feeling the breeze upon my face, leaving all the noise behind me, finding my own peaceful place. The world can move a little faster, but my heart has learned to slow. In the found a way to grow. Hear the drums beneath the sunshine, feel the waves beneath your feet. Every heartbeat joins the rhythm, every moment feels complete. The rhythm of a peaceful island flows like music through my soul. With the ocean and the palm trees, I have found my heart is whole. The rhythm of a peaceful island where the worries drift away. With the reggae sound around me, I embrace a brighter day. The rhythm of a peaceful island, like a song beneath the sky, where the love, the waves and sunshine help my spirit learn to fly. Flowers bloom along the coastline, adding colors to the view. The birds are singing in the distance, underneath the endless blue. The fishermen return with stories, the children laugh beside the shore. Simple moments become treasures, and my heart keeps asking for more. I remember restless evenings when I searched for something new, when I thought the world was waiting for a place I had to move to. But I learned that peace is waiting, not in places far away. It is found inside the moments that we treasure every day. Let the island breeze remind you, let the ocean calm your mind. There is beauty all around you if you take the time to find. The rhythm of a peaceful island flows like music through my soul. With the ocean and the palm trees, I have found my heart is whole. The rhythm of a peaceful island where the worries drift away. With the reggae sound around me, I embrace a brighter day. Oh. When the sunset paints the horizon with a golden ocean flame, I can feel the island calling, whispering my name again. The moon appears above the water, stars begin to fill the night. Everything becomes so peaceful, everything feels warm and right. No treasure hidden in the ocean, no riches across the land could compare to this connection, to the waves and golden sand. For the greatest gift is living with a heart that feels complete, finding joy within the simple, finding calm beneath your feet. Let the rhythm keep on flowing, let the music guide your way. Let the island keep reminding there is beauty in today. Through the storms and changing seasons, through the journeys we go through, keep the peace you find within you. Let it always carry you, like the ocean meets the shoreline, like the stars light up the night. Every soul can find a pathway, every heart can find its light. Take a moment just to listen to the world around your heart. You will find the peaceful rhythm that was waiting from the start. rest beneath the moon. The waves are singing softly, a familiar island tune. The palm trees sway like old companions, standing proudly by the sea. And I know this peaceful rhythm will forever live in me. Tomorrow brings another sunrise, another chance